Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Tnat Arts and Culture jong Sarkar Jila ne Sngi kat pratri gunopra kalakan mau kerpang ya Sngi Lyngkhuh Sngiap ma prapau jong Myllung Soso Tham. Hagan Sngi ladon rekat langru Menteri Sarkar uba ELHEC kum okongsan uba W Nongsik Director ke Arts and Culture bat kiwai. Lasdang ya kini Sngi da kabalik bu sentiu hau dormot jong Myllung Soso Tham uba don haplau ke State Central Library bat hadin kini kila penlong ya ki program baper ha Soso Tham Auditorium Shillong.
Sngi Barim Uhinyo Trip are some of his most distinguished works. His works are mostly secular in nature, and he was the first person to richly make use of Khasi idioms, which can be seen clearly Kifawar Uesa. He is being the idolized and regarded as a symbol of the golden age in the literary history of the Khasis. Through his genius and creativity, he produced some of his classics of the Khasi literature, which in turn have rendered great credibility of honor to the Khasi language, particularly in the field of the poetry and fables. Through a legacy he left to the Khasis and us all. The people in general and the youth in particular need someone to look up to Soso Tham is a role model and a shining beacon to inspire and motivate every one of us to strive ahead in the midst of difficulties. Let us take inspiration of this great literary icon and treasures has rich contributions. Before I end my speech today, I'd like to thank also the family of Soso Tham.
Enthroned as a king among the Khasi poets. All subsequent writers and poets look back to him for inspiration. His works are considered as classics.
Bau Soso Tham yang rang ba, habau sedang mentho yaki poetry Khasi. Pada ko poetry Khasi lapan mi hagas dem kakandais pa arusan. This is the beauty of his lyric. Corruption, self-centered, lust, greed, selfishness. Kita ulo tlen yo tlen, Henry Schwa tlen udan usop beneng. Kali ka mythology, kaba Soso Tham usno tu syai kedar yang kador jongka kami. Usop beneng umbilical cord. Kecing ini ke bancan hapadeng kami batikuan. Henry andang brio nakiu unang yui ya ketei syatei ke bau ibang nang ta usdang ban yuroi ya ke hok. It's here because we don't respect, we only commemorate. We know only how to celebrate. And from this platform today, I strongly believe Minister Jongi, especially in the syllabus, Lada William Wordsworth udang im, Julius Caesar udang im, B.B. Shelley udang im, Shadow kiknak Jongi yentip yaga moral ethics. The moral ethics now is kids really deteriorate because of what? We don't respect our own, the poet laureate of classic literature. Kerana you, manu na pi bam kwa kam kiau, danu na pi bam kwa kam ketau, Henry kan mau yo dung kurau kau. Kani ke syok ha syongwan, kabelong unik, kabelong kerbang, kabelong jekam dan kot, banyak pelai sanshim, kabelong jidan kot, banyak kunre, kabelong jidan kot, banyak yo pun usam, pemedai bakalong beriuman berium. Ni puli yakini kiskun, ngakuan, manona kani ka platform. Please revive, especially in the syllabus. Though we are in the college level, but you study teng-teng ke syllabus. Jom di school, syanu usus Tham uja, syanu ke moral ethics, kebagian keren, kena hagi di Sngi momentan.